Hello students, welcome to Breedmark Academy. Myself LS Nanda. Now in today's video, I am going to discuss the solution of a mathematics question that was asked in one of the shifts of JEE Main 2025 April session exam. This question involves the concepts of basic mathematics. It says if m and n are two-digit numbers such that m is greater than n and GCD of m and n is equal to 6, then the number of such pairs is. Now students, since the GCD of m and n is 6, so I can assume m equal to 6a and n equal to 6b, where a and b are co-prime natural numbers. Now students, since m is greater than n, so that means 6a is greater than 6b, or I can say a is greater than b. Now m and n are two-digit natural numbers, so both m and n must belong to open interval 10, 99. Now why I am not including 10 and 99? Because 10 and 99 are not the multiples of 6. Fine. So they must be excluded. Now students, since m is the bigger number, so m must be smaller than 99, and since n is the smaller number, so n must be greater than 10. Now m is 6a, so this means 6a is less than 99, or I can say a is less than 16 point something. But a is a natural number, so a must be less than or equal to 60. Now students, since n is greater than 10 and n is 6b, so this means 6b is greater than 10, and this means b is greater than 1 point something. But because b is a natural number, so b must be greater than or equal to 2. Now students, since a is greater than b, so this clearly implies that a must belong to the set 3, 4, 5 and so on till 16, and b must belong to the set 2, 3, 4 and so on till 50. Right? And while allotting values to a and b and finding the total number of pairs for m and n, you must keep in mind that a must be greater than b and a and b must be co-prime. Now students, we move further. Now students, we consider the first case. In the first case, I am taking b equal to 2. Now when b is equal to 2, then the possible values of a are 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Now while allotting values to a, you have to keep two things in mind. First is a must be greater than b, and second is a and b must be co-prime. Now we have got 7 such pairs. Now accordingly, we will get 7 pairs for m and n as well, because m is equal to 6a and n is equal to 6b. So if you put b equal to 2, then the value of n will be 12. If you put a equal to 3, then the value of m will be 18. And so on, you can find all such pairs. Now students, I consider the second case. In the second case, I am taking b equal to 3. Now when b is equal to 3, then the possible values of a are 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11, 13, 14 and 16. Now we have got 9 such pairs. Now we consider the third case. In the third case, I am taking b equal to 4. Now when b is equal to 4, then the possible values of a are 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Now total number of pairs is 6. And now we consider the fourth case. In the fourth case, I am taking B equal to 5. So the possible values of A are 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 16. Now we have 9 such pairs. Right? Now students, we move further and discuss more cases. Now students, we discuss the fifth case. In the fifth case, I am taking B equal to 6. Now when B is equal to 6, then the possible values of A are 7, 11, and 13. So that means we get 3 pairs for this case. Then we discuss the sixth case. In this, I am taking B equal to 7. Now the possible values of A are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, and 16. So that means we get 8 pairs. Now we discuss the seventh case. And in the seventh case, B is equal to 8. So the possible values of A are 9, 11, 13, 15. So total number of pairs in this case is 4. And now we discuss the eighth case. In this case, B is equal to 9. And the possible values of A are 10, 11, 13, 14, and 16. So now we have 5 pairs. Now students, we discuss the remaining cases. Now students, we discuss the ninth case. In the ninth case, B equal to 10. When B equal to 10, then the possible values of A are 11 and 13. So that means we have 2 pairs. In the 10th case, when B equal to 11, then the possible values of A are 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. In this case, we have 5 pairs. In the 11th case, when B equal to 12, then the only possible value of A is 13. So that means there is only 1 pair. And in the 12th case, when B equal to 13, then the possible values of A are 14, 15, and 16. That means we have 3 pairs. Now students, we are just left with 2 more cases, that is B equal to 14 and B equal to 15. Now students, we discuss the 13th case. In this case, B equal to 14. When B equal to 14, then the only possible value of A is 15. So that means we get only 1 pair. And in the last case, that is the 14th case, when B equal to 15, then the only possible value of A is 16. Again, we get 1 pair. Now students, if you add the number of all of these pairs, then the final answer comes as 64. So this is the right answer. Now students, next question I will be posting in tomorrow's video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching my videos and enhance your knowledge of mathematics. Thanks.